I'm Erica Ray Albert. I am the broker of E-Rae Realty here in Austin, Texas. Now, if you're thinking about buying a home, you may be wondering exactly what goes into your monthly housing payment. So I'm here today to explain a little bit more about that so that you can best search for homes that fit your budget. So it's really a lot more than just your mortgage payment, but the bulk of your payment will consist of the principal and interest payments for your loan. It'll vary based on the amount you're putting down, what the portion is that's going towards principal and what is going towards interest. Traditionally, you're paying more interest at the beginning, and then over time it balances out until you're paying more towards your principal than your interest. This will be the bulk of your payment, but it's not everything. So in addition to your principal and interest, you also have mortgage insurance. If you're putting less than 20% down, then you're going to be required to have either PMI, which is for a conventional loan with less than 20% down, or MIP, which is for an FHA loan with less than 20% down. Both are a protection for the lender in case you default on your loan. And once you reach a loan to value ratio that is greater than 80%, either through payments to the principal or appreciation or a combination of both, then you can request that mortgage insurance is removed. Another, probably the most important aspect that I like to warn my clients about is your property tax. Here in Texas, our property tax rates are pretty high. In the central Texas area, I see property tax rates that range from 1.7 to almost 4%. And so those property taxes annually are going to be thousands of dollars, and they will contribute to a large chunk of your monthly housing payment. It's probably going to be your second largest chunk outside of your principal and interest portion. So it's really important to pay attention to the property tax rate for a given home when you're starting to search for homes, because those small changes in the property tax rate can have significant impacts in how much you're going to pay each month. Another element that goes into your monthly housing payment is your home insurance. These rates are going to vary based on the condition of the home and the location of the home, and you can shop around and find the best rate for you as well. There's a few other additional considerations that go into your monthly housing payment. Those include things like your HOA fees. If you're in a property with an HOA, you may have a monthly or quarterly or an annual HOA fee. You also might want to think about utilities. Some properties will be in areas where they're in a municipal utility district or they are in a public improvement district, and those are going to have additional fees associated with them. And lastly, you have your actual utilities. So you may want to think about the age of a home, the insulation of a home, are there any energy efficient upgrades? Because in the end, these are all things that you're going to have to pay for on a monthly basis as well. If you have any other questions about buying a home in the Central Texas area, feel free to reach out or give me a call, 512-779-7597, or you can find me on the internet at shesellsaustin.com. Thanks, have a great day.